Hello guys, what's up and welcome to this new video. I was only filming my last video this morning when I landed in New York with British Airways, but here I am in New York, and today I'm going to be bringing you a collaboration with FlyNyon. So FlyNyon are basically a helicopter company in New York who do cool experiences like flying around New York at night. Now, I can never afford one of these. A full half-an-hour NYC classic, they call it, costs about $600, $550 I think, and I obviously cannot afford that. So I am today working with them, and they've provided me with a free flight so I can experience it and bring it to all of you guys. So I got an email telling me to come here to Starbucks, and basically they do their registration in Starbucks. So inside I went and registered, and then basically there is a shuttle that takes people from here to the hangar where the helicopters go from, because it's not from actually New York they go, it's from New Jersey, which is pretty pricey or pretty long to get to. So this shuttle cost me $15 return trip, and yeah, I think it's really worth it. Okay, so here we are at FlyNyon, and the first thing I've noticed is this place is in the absolute middle of nowhere. If you're doing this, don't try and get here on your own. I would have got totally lost. Honestly, this place is in the middle of an industrial estate. Get the shuttle, $15 only return. It's 100% worth it. This place is in the middle of nowhere.
Exciting experiences in flying. Soon, you'll be seeing your favorite city like never before. But first, let's go over a few things to ensure everyone's safety. By now, you'll have met your FlyNyon liaison. They will guide you through each step of your experience. Passengers must completely empty their pockets prior to boarding the aircraft.
To ensure your safety, your equipment is all clipped on and you are harnessed up.
So here we go, we're heading outside now. It's the last flight of the day, isn't it?
It's the last flight of the day.
And we are on it.
Wrapping things up for you guys. Move up. We're gonna go straight over here to this other van.
You guys excited?
Very excited.
You guys excited? Oh, we get our own little van. Look at this, guys.
My group were absolutely awesome, and we all headed to the helicopter together, feeling super, super excited. After taking off from Kearny Heliport, we headed across New Jersey to Manhattan, and our first stop was the Empire State Building and Central Park. Next up, we headed towards the Freedom Tower, which I have to say was my favourite part. I felt I could almost touch the top with my feet. Our final stop of the trip was the Statue of Liberty, which looked absolutely stunning. After this, we headed back to Kearney and landed.
So, we've just come in from our flight. How did you two find it? Are we not ready yet? We're not ready. We're still in the hat.
No, we're not ready. Hold on. We're not ready. Are we ready? We're ready. We're always ready.
You're always ready.
It was
How did
amazing.
you find it?
Amazing.
Yeah, what was your favourite part?
Oh God, everything. Like there wasn't one thing that I loved. It was just the whole experience. Seeing the city at night.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So beautiful.
And how cold did your feet get?
Really cold.
Yeah. How'd you find it? You were in the front, weren't you?
Absolutely loved it. It was the most beautiful experience. I really had to say my favorite part was the Empire State Building.
Yeah, that was sick.
Seeing that up close and the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
It was the most beautiful experience. We had great people with us. It was great vibes. It was such a beautiful experience.
I love that. I love that. How about you two in the back there? Be that.
Nah, you're the man.
How did you two find it?
I mean, I was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was good,
I was scared, but you had your legs all the way out.
Honestly, the team couldn't have said it better. The flight was simply incredible. Seeing the city at night is a whole new level, and from that altitude as well was just amazing. Honestly, if you get the chance to do this flight, I would recommend it 100%. And the thing is, you'll rarely have to pay full price. FlyNyon offer lots and lots of discounts on Instagram, on their website, so go check it out, and who knows, maybe you'll find a 50% off code waiting for you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to like it, subscribe, and share with all your friends who you would love to do this experience with. If you don't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm @LondonSpotter to see my travels real time. Thank you very much, and until next time, safe travels.